So we ask everybody this question. What is the biggest misconception out there about quantum computing?
I think I have one, but I think it's a pretty classical one. It's to me, when I ask my family or my friends, for example, it's that quantum computing is a thing that will basically solve every problem that everybody has, like global warming and so on. And what I tell everybody is that it's not the case. So at least in a short term, I think quantum computing is basically meant to solve very, very specific. And if you need to solve these very, very specific problems, then you may have an advantage using quantum computers. To me, it sounds like the biggest misconception about quantum computing that I see. But maybe Sabine has another opinion.
Well, I guess the biggest one is that one, but I'm say the business side of the team. So for people like me, one of the biggest misconceptions might be related to the number of qubits. Like to me, when I arrived in this field, the number of qubits was everything. And discussing with Felix, I discovered that okay, it's nice to have a lot of qubits, but then you need to do something with them. So they need to be good qubits, reliable ones. You need to be able to entangle them and to perform universal computations also. So yeah, there are a lot of other requirements that are super important. And I'd say the tricky part is that the number of qubits is something that is easy to grasp from in a conversation or in a technical presentation, so you can be misguided also by this kind of information.
No, that's a good point. There's a lot of confusion, right?